Okay, so as you can see, I have this Toshiba laptop, and I'm about to do a repair on it because it has a broken keyboard. Now, this laptop was given to me by a customer who will remain anonymous, but as you can see, really on the outside, it's not that bad. It's it's in pretty good condition. It's fairly new. It's a Windows 7 laptop. And the only thing it really has going on here on the outside is some scuff marks. But anyway, yeah, I'll show you what happens here when we plug it in. We'll take a look at the fact that it is a unique laptop, and the fact that Toshiba really did make it for the consumer. It comes with a lot of cool features, things that you don't find on most laptops. So let's just take a look at it here, and I'm just going to plug it in. Okay, hold on. Okay, and yeah, let's open this up. So anyway, as you can see here, this laptop was, well, I mean, it was one of a kind. It's a Toshiba satellite of some sort, but it's very rare to find this one, because this one actually has, if you can see here, a built-in ashtray. Yeah, take a look at that. You can see that you could just dump your ashes in here. It's a little bit sticky so that the ashes don't get into the computer or underneath the keyboard. And it's actually one of the only laptops to be held together with a piece of duct tape. Now, what's unique about this laptop is, instead of it having a hinge over here, they made it a static hinge, so that way the ashtray, will be revealed as soon as you open up the laptop, and everything else on it, it seems pretty normal. One of the unique features of this laptop is the fact that if you can look here, it does not come with anything in the CD port. Also, if you observe the bottom of it, you will notice it doesn't come with a battery or a hard drive cover. Opening this up, you can see that the screen, it was originally intended to be a tablet PC, but midway through it they ran out of budget, so the problem with it was they couldn't afford to actually implement the full tablet feature. So what they ended up doing is just unhinging half of it, and I mean, you could kind of swivel it. You could kind of show your friends a little bit more when they say, hey, I can't really see what's going on the screen. You could just pick it up and slightly turn it. Alright, so this has a keyboard issue. When we start it up here, you'll notice that the screen comes on. Everything's running great, and I do like the fact that it has duct tape on it, because that's really an American standard. I mean, that was built for the American consumer, and I like that. I appreciate that. Oh, and also tape, just because, I mean, there's nothing really that needs to be taped together. But Toshiba did a protection plan on this. So what they did is they put tape on it, so that way if it ever did crack, tape would be there as a safeguard. Also, actually, you know what? Before I get onto that, we're going to log on to the No Keyboard account, which comes by default on this. And it boots up rather quickly, and I mean, it starts up, and really it runs fine. Now, the thing that I think is the problem with this laptop, I mean, usually you don't have issues with the keyboard not working altogether. I mean, we can go and open up, let's see, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to open up this, and I'm going to just try and type in CMD, and I'm not going to use the on-screen keyboard. So let's see what happens here. Oh no, you know what? Nothing's working. Okay, now I'm going to shut this off here so we can actually do the repair. Okay. One thing that I like, another thing, I mean, that is great about this laptop is the fact that, just like the duct tape, being for the American consumers, this laptop was really built for the American tinkerer. basically the whole thing just falls apart. I mean, but I mean it's for your convenience. I mean, you can just open it up here. See, like, it doesn't have any screws. No screws come with it. So you don't need to worry about having to, like, you know, keep track of all the screws and putting it back together, or, you know, assembling it or disassembling it, because you really don't need to worry, because everything just falls apart with it. This here